Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been messing with my SCX24 custom school bus again. Just wanted to go over a few things. If you're new to the channel and haven't seen the original build video of this and you'd like to know exactly how I step-by-step built everything, I'll link that video in the description and at the end of this video. But I made a few more cosmetic modifications. I added a LED roof light. This light is really cool because it actually has metal housing. It's not cheap like some of the plastic housed lights that you normally see, and it has like several different LED light functions, yellow lights like school bus lights, police lights, normal white LEDs. I also went ahead and added a rear tire just for looks, as well as a realistic looking hitch and some mud flaps, and basically put some Mofo RC logos on the flaps. I just love the way, you know, things on these bigger rigs when I build them move around while you're driving. Having that chain on the hitch and the mud flaps just really look amazing from a distance. The only other things I did was kind of added a rear magnet mount. At first I just had the a magnet mount on each side and in the front, but the body was coming loose, so I added one in the back. It's kind of a heavy body. I've just been playing around with my suspension settings just to kind of get everything dialed in perfect. But the detail on the bus, the actual real rusted metal, everything came out very beautiful on this build, and I'll do a couple core shots for you here. Like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Here's the rear magnet mount I added, as well as I extended the kind of a board in the front so that I can place my battery around in different spots to add more weight to the front. I like using this in my larger rigs, this 900 milliamp Urgent X battery, because it's very heavy, and on something like this school bus that has that's very heavy in the rear, you need more weight in the front, and something as heavy as this is not just for power. You can add it here to kind of move more weight to the front and balance out your vehicle as needed. Another thing that you can do with magnets, if you need more weight in certain places, you can, you know, kind of glue like 2 magnets certain areas, and if you want more weight in the front, you can just add more magnets to that to add more weight to the front. Oh yeah, and I wanted to show you guys the different light modes on this LED. That one's pretty cool for the school bus. I also just really like my plain white. Just want to show you guys these mud flaps. Just looks really cool the way they just kind of shake and move while you're crawling. Just getting a couple shots for you guys here, showing you how beautiful this thing looks on the course. Can't wait to get it outside for you guys on some dirt and rocks. Give you more of a close-up here in that little section area. But yeah, guys, I'm really in love with this vehicle. So if you're new to the channel and haven't seen the build on this, definitely check that out. But yeah guys, like and subscribe to the channel. Definitely watch the build video.